Hey everybody, it's Michael Tiny Saul. Today is Sunday, May 8th at 5:50 p.m. and this is Forex analysis for Monday, May 9th, 2011. Big shout out to the moms. Happy Mother's Day today. Going to go through the list here of the crosses and pairs. Let's take a look at the euro. What a monster 2 days this was, starting on Thursday. For those of you who watch my videos every night or almost every night, you know that I was looking for a pull-in, but a couple of fake outs here. I said I was going to wait, and of course, as soon as I said that, Thursday, we got the big move to the downside and then the continuation on Friday. So what I'm looking for here is some sort of digestion. Okay, this kind of expansion usually leads to consolidation here. So I'm going to watch this one. There's no trigger here going into Monday, in my opinion. Here's the Aussie dollar. Now, the Aussie dollar also had some downside pressure. This one started on Tuesday, though. Came back inside the Keltner and then just lost it down, lost it here down into the middle Keltner line and then right through it. You can see Friday wound up closing back above it. Once again, this is just too volatile here to look for a trigger just now, but how the market usually works, and I'm not saying that it's going to continue to work this way, but it has, and for the past however many 100 years, whatever it is, 200 years, or however long, I guess, let's see, we're trading rice contracts in the 700s, so what is that, I don't know, 1400 years, whatever it is, no, not in 2100, 1300 years, okay, whatever it is usually periods of high volatility are followed by periods of contraction in volatility, which then again leads to another break. So that's what I'm watching at for some of these crazy movers. Now, here's the yen, and last week in one of the updates I had made the comment that I was looking for the yen to do something here and get a bounce. I mean, Friday, I guess it got one, but that was after Thursday continuing to go lower here. So we could throw up the Fibonacci grid and we could outline levels here of where next support would be if last week's lows give out. Okay, so you see we held the 62% retracement. So below that you have the 70.6% retracement at 78.32. Okay, so that would be the next support down here. Resistance on the upside is the moving average, this middle Keltner line here. Here's the Swiss. I feel a little weird with the Swiss. I feel that this one got away, but like I had said when I was doing the updates, I mean, there were a lot of dojis that didn't lead anywhere on the way down here. Now this one is the one that finally got going. So I'm watching this middle line here, the moving average, for potential resistance. So I'm going to be watching that, but no trigger here. Here's the loonie, the US CAD, and you can see that looked like we were going to head back down for that lower Keltner channel, but instead we ripped it up here. No pattern here. Look how wide Friday's candle is relative to what the CAD usually does, right? So I've got to wait for this one to simmer down. All right, here's the Euro Pound cross, and this one popped to the upside, missed the upper Keltner, and then just lost it the end of last week here. So once again, waiting for some sort of pattern to form, digestion to form. Here is the Euro Swissy cross, and the lower Keltner was tagged, it looked like, on Friday, but this other lower Keltner level here is what I would be watching for if we continue on the downside. You could see here it just kind of clipped it, and it's more like an after the fact kind of move, because you could see that, hold on. You could see they're coming into it. Didn't really tag it, but so watch this next level down here on the Keltner, the lower Keltner channel. Here's the Euro Aussie cross. Big candle on Friday. What do you do after a candle like this? You wait and wait for some digestion here. That's my opinion. Euro Kiwi, Euro New Zealand dollar. Okay, another big day down. Thursday was an ugly day, and then Friday was the real ugliness. Waiting for continuation, but this one looks like an upside failure, so I'd be watching for a test down here. But once again, got to get a pattern that at least can be quantifiable. Here is the cable after the bull flag popped up. Got the pullback down, but once again, no pattern here just yet. I want to wait and see on this one. Here is the pound Kiwi. It's the pound versus the New Zealand dollar. See here, nothing. Just kind of chopping around here. Waiting for a better entry there. Here is the euro yen. And the euro yen had an interesting week. Okay. It kind of rolled on over and then just took the dive on Thursday, tagged the lower Keltner on Friday, and now it's back to wait and see. Here's the Swiss yen. Okay, no pattern there. Okay, the Aussie yen looks like it may want to tag its middle Keltner channel here, but no pattern. Pound yen. Okay, looks like just like a lame little bounce here. See if this one will get continuation to the downside later on in the week. Here's pound Swiss, middle Keltner line, the moving average. That's the first target on the pound Swiss bounce. Right here, big day up on Friday, so watching for digestion there on the Aussie Swiss. Here's the New Zealand Swiss, and on this one, okay, it's trailing the Aussie Swiss by a little bit, but still had the big day. Looking for this moving average to be tested. Here's the Loonie Swiss, okay, middle Keltner line, the moving average, still looking at that. Here's the Kiwi Loonie, chopping around here. And here's the Aussie CAD. Okay, tag the 20 EMA. Got a nice bounce on Friday. Now looking for some consolidation. So I don't see any actionable signals here. I drilled down to the lower time frames before I did the video, and to do all that work on all these pairs and crosses on the video would make it probably like a half-hour video, way too long. So I did all the work on the lower time frames, and it all tells me the same thing, which is wait and see, and that's fine. I'm not in a rush here. The triggers, they come when they're ready to, and that should be later on this week. I think after we digest some of the big moves, I think that there should be some nice setups. That's it. Have a great trading day on Monday. I'll talk to everybody again on Tuesday.